Uh, my name is Terje Koldrup, and this is a short demonstration of the Mathemateria Equations app. We go to the Start Game button and we see the 4 levels. The first level is about balancing the scale. You can tap to remove coins one by one, and the goal is to have an equal amount of coins in both scales. So we tap this one, and it's also the first time it is marked in yellow, so you get help the first time. So you have solved the first exercise and you go on to the next. Now the help is turned off, but you can turn it on again. Sometimes you have to actually do it yourself. And when you have done a certain amount of exercises by yourself without help, we move on to the next level, where we introduce the money bag. It's the unknown, and now the goal is to remove all the coins beside the bag and an equal number of coins on the other side. One here and one here. And without help, and again, and it gets a little bit harder. We have to remove 2 coins from both sides. I will skip a little bit. In the next level we have intermediate, some mix of math symbols and these coin and money bag symbols. So now there is an equal sign instead of a balance scale, and we need to remove coins from both sides at the same time, and we do that by tapping a coin stack. So it will subtract from both sides, and we need to merge those stacks by tapping the minus symbol or plus symbol in other cases. And when we have done some exercises this way, it will change the usage of the symbols into pure math symbols, but everything works the same way. And this is, of course, a new way to introduce equations. It's not easy, but it can be an alternative for some kids. And in the next level we introduce new mathematical operations, and they are now organized in 2 buttons at the bottom of the page. So to use the new operations, we're instructed to choose this button. Then it's possible to divide both sides of the equation by a number, and then to reduce. So we do it without help, and after a few of these exercises we get an exercise where we need to use both modes, and the first time this happens we're instructed to choose the first button here again. It doesn't show us what to do now because we have learned that before, but you can turn it on again with the help button. If you do like this, and then it instructs us that it's time to move to the other mode and divide and reduce. And in the last level there are 3 modes, and we need to select this mode to factorize. And when you have finished a level, you can do it in a timed mode. This is an exercise from the last stage of this last level, and it's an exercise where you need to use operations from all of the 3 modes. So at first we go to the move and merge terms mode, and we get all the x terms in one side and merge them, and all the constant terms on the other side and merge them. Then we had to divide, then we had to factorize, reduce, and then multiply again.